Hello everyone. I'm attaching the battery to the electric drill and testing it. I'm going to show you an incredible trick to rescue a seemingly dead drill battery, transforming it from a useless brick into a powerful, reliable tool once more. Try drilling into this piece of wood. See, it doesn't work. This further confirms my suspicion that the battery isn't providing enough power. Let's try putting it on the charger. Placing the battery on the charger confirms my suspicion. It doesn't show any signs of charging, which is very common with older or neglected batteries. I'm going to test the battery with an LED light bulb. I'm connecting the alligator clips to the battery, but the light bulb doesn't work at all. Now, let's test the charger itself with the bulb. I'll connect the clips to the charger's output terminals. See that? The bulb lights up brightly. This tells me the charger is working perfectly fine, meaning the problem definitely lies within the battery itself. I'm going to mark where I plan to open it with an X to guide me. Alright, it's time to carefully open the battery casing. I'm using a small screwdriver to loosen all the screws around the edges. This can be a bit tricky, but patience is key. Once the screws are out, I gently pry open the case. It's quite dusty inside. I'll use a brush to clean out any loose debris before proceeding. It's important to remove any buildup that could interfere with conductivity or cause future issues. Now, I'm carefully unscrewing and removing the circuit board from the battery cells. This separation is necessary to get better access to the individual components and check for any specific points of failure. It's important to be gentle to avoid damaging any components as we move them. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After removing the battery cells and circuit board from the casing, the cells had quite a bit of dust and possibly corrosion around the contact points. I will take some time to thoroughly clean the external parts and original components, ensuring that no dust particles hinder the repair process. To properly clean these delicate internal contacts and the circuit board, I'm going to use a cotton swab. I'll spray a little WD-40 onto the tip. WD-40 is excellent for displacing moisture and dissolving rust or corrosion, which is exactly what we need to ensure good conductivity. Now, with the WD-40 soaked cotton swab, I'm meticulously cleaning all the contact points on the battery cells and the circuit board itself. I want to make sure I get into every crevice and remove any sign of oxidation or dirt that might be preventing proper electrical flow. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm taking a small box and opening it to reveal some safety pins. I'll use the safety pins to prepare them for creating new connection points for my homemade charging device. I carefully use wire strippers to strip a small section of insulation from one end of the blue wire. This exposes the copper wire, which is essential for making good electrical contact in the next step. I twist the wire around the safety pin to ensure a secure and conductive connection. I'll repeat this with the red wire and attach a safety pin to it. At the other end of the blue and red wires, I strip the wires and will attach them to these small alligator clips. The blue wire connects to the blue clip, and the red wire connects to the red clip. I'm twisting the exposed wire around the clip ends to ensure a secure and reliable connection. This configuration will create temporary, safe electrical contacts. Now, I have a car battery here. I'm connecting the red alligator clip to the positive terminal of the battery and the blue wire to the negative terminal. Then I will secure the safety pins to the contact points on the faulty battery. This provides a surge of power to wake up the internal cells of our battery. With the circuit responding as it should, it's time to reassemble our battery pack. I'm carefully placing the circuit board and battery cells back into their original positions, ensuring all the wires are tucked in neatly and securely. Then, I'll fit the top casing back on and begin tightening all the screws firmly. I'm placing the fully reassembled battery back onto its original charger. Look, the charger light immediately turns red. This means our cleaning and jumpstart method worked perfectly to restore its functionality. Let's connect the battery to the drill again. Hear that powerful whir? The drill springs to life with full power and drills effortlessly into the wood. It's working perfectly. I'll also connect it to the large LED bulb we used earlier. And just like that, a bright, steady light illuminates. Our drill battery is fully functional again, thanks to a bit of careful cleaning and attention to detail. This simple, yet effective, fix saved a perfectly good drill battery from the trash. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.